This is Lemon Pepper Link here, and this is my tutorial video for this LEGO Speed Champions flatbed for any LEGO Speed Champions truck mocks that any of y'all is doing. Now, the boxes are on it, even though it's currently not in it, but there's a spot for gooseneck hitch, extra lighting, and the headache rack is adjustable for taller or shorter cabbed trucks. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, here is the parts list to build this particular flatbed. We got the section of 2x2 bricks, the 1x2 inverted slopes, 2x2 and 2x4 slopes, plus the fence piece, 3 1x2 bricks, and 4 1x2 bricks with the studs on the side, 6 1x1 bricks, 2 1x2 plates, 6 2x2 bricks, 3 1x3 plates, my bad, and 5 of these 1x2 modified bricks, 3 2x6 plates, 2 4x4 plates, 1 2x10 plate, then 6 2x12 plates, 2x10, my bad, that's 2x8, then 1 2x12, and also 2 2x2 boxes and 4 2x3 boxes. And this chassis piece, those fender pieces, and lights. Okay, first piece that we need is a chassis piece. Then we take both the 4x4 plates and put them on like that. Then the 2x10 plates we stack on either side, leaving the hole as your center between wheel wells for the gooseneck hitch. Then flip it, a 2x3 plate, put it there, then another one of these 2x10s, and that is the main deck of the flatbed. Then we get these 2x2s at the front corner, which will be the longer side, is the front. So the front corner, the structural integrity will come as it goes, and then we match the other side. And just like that, we move on. Then we take one of these 2x3 bricks, one per side, just like that. Then we set that out for a second. Then we take two of the 1x1 bricks and one of the 1x2 bricks and stack it just like that. And then we put it behind the box. And on the side, we take both 2x2 bricks and we stack them exact same way. Then 1x6, 2x6 black goes there. And another one matches on the other side. Then the 1x2 modifieds, one goes there and another one matches on the other side. These modified 1x2 bricks, two of them double stacked, goes in the corner, and the same for the other corner. Just like this. Then the remaining 3 modified bricks all get stacked in a row in the very back, in between the modified bricks. One by three, 2x3 brick, plate, 2x3 plate, but see, that is the wrong way to do it. You'd actually stack it there with that, because there is a brace that goes across the middle there. And how the brace is built is just like that, which you put one there and adjust accordingly. And the bracing should look just like that. Then your longest one, the 2x12, you slip right in there. Everything lines up perfectly. Then we'd flip it back over. Put your lighting on. There's 4 slots so you can add more lighting. You put lighting on however you see it fit. Then we take these arch pieces and one per side. And that is everything from the deck below. Then we go the 2x4 slope and the 2x2 slope right there, and 2x2 brick, 2x2 brick, and we stack the 2x2 bricks up 4 high for this configuration. Then 1x2, 1x1, 1x1 brick. Then the fence piece. Then we set that back for now. 2x6. And 2x10. Just like this. Then 2x4. 2x2. 2x2. Then 2x8 on top of that. 1x2. 1x2. Then we stack on top, locking the fence in, creating the strength for the headache rack. Then 2x2 plate, 2x2 plate, 2x2 bricks, another 2x2 plate, same for the other side. Then 2x2 slopes go on the very top to represent the exhaust. Then on top of that, on top of the deck here, we match. And for the final two pieces, the 2x2 boxes goes right behind the 2x3 boxes. And that is a complete flatbed for this one, minus the gooseneck hitch. But for shorter cab trucks, you can modify the headache rack by removing one set of bricks across, and yes, and that is how you build the flatbed. Lemon pepper over and out.